first Brock Commodore, based on the VC model, came about as a direct result of Holden's official withdrawal from motorsport. Without a major sponsor, Peter Brock and the remaining Holden dealer team personnel had little chance of continuing until a plan was hatched to fund racing. Holden would ship new SLE VC Commodores to HDT, where they would be transformed into high-performance road cars. Using the SLE as a base ensured the Brock Commodore boasted numerous luxury features like air conditioning, power steering, electric windows, and four-wheel disc brakes. After receiving overwhelming support for the project from the Dealer Council, HDT commenced production of a limited run of 500 Commodores, and they were released in 3 colours only: Firethorn Red, Palais White, and Tuxedo Black. The runaway success of the VC Commodore ensured a healthy future for HDT.